how to connect a USB drive to your iPhone 17e, and also how to transfer files between your drive and the iPhone itself. Let's get started right away. Well, first of all, this iPhone only has one USB Type-C port down below. So if your USB drive is a USB Type-A like this one, you'll need an adapter to connect both together. They sell these on Amazon, and I'll put links in the description. If you don't have one, honestly, it's just a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter that is compatible with data transfer. The cheaper options are not data transfer compatible, which means they're only made to charge your phone. So make sure you select the right one, and that's why I have put links in the description. So once you do this, you'll be able to connect the USB flash drive to your iPhone. Now, I will show you how to transfer files in just a few seconds, but just one quick thing. If you don't have a USB drive, I suggest you get one that has a USB Type-A and a USB Type-C port like this one. It's very practical. You can plug it in a computer, in many devices, and also have the flexibility of connecting it to mobile. Okay, so let me simply connect this back over here, and I'll show you how you can transfer the files without having to download anything. That's the nice thing about the iPhone. So you'll need to search for the Files app. If you don't see it anywhere, don't worry, simply swipe all the way towards the right side. Once you get to App Library, tap on it, and then over here you simply have to type Files. There we go. The Files app comes included with your iPhone. No need to download anything. I'll open it, and once you're over here, you're going to tap on Browse on the lower side of the screen, and you're going to get to this screen where you're going to see your USB drive you have connected. This is mine. Yours will have a different name. By clicking on it, you'll have access to all the files and folders that are on it. To transfer anything from here to your iPhone and the contrary. Okay, if you want to do the contrary, you simply have to tap on my iPhone and find the files that are on your iPhone that you want to transfer. So you're going to tap these three dots on the top right corner, click on Select, and now simply tap on everything you want to transfer. They're all going to have a blue check mark. Then tap on these three dots on the lower right side and select Copy. Now we need to go where we want to copy these files, so go back. And since I was on my USB drive, I will now tap on my iPhone. This is the internal memory of your phone. To create a new folder to put whatever you just have copied, you can simply press these three dots and select New Folder. Create a new one, I don't know, let's say Homework. Perfect. And now to put those files inside, I will tap on the folder to go inside, and I will keep press anywhere on the screen until I get Paste. And those files will be transferred. Obviously, if you're transferring large movies, it may take a few minutes, but only for a few pictures, it should only take a few seconds. Once you're done transferring your stuff between the USB drive and the iPhone, there's no eject button like on a Mac. You can simply take it out, and this is about it. You won't get any error message. As you see, the USB drive got removed from this menu, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. By the way, again, I'll put links in the description if you want to get these adapters and many other compatible accessories with your 17e. So check my Amazon links, subscribe, like, and don't forget also to leave a comment down below. See you.